Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today I'm with YWigs. You guys realize that for some time now I've been rocking with YWigs like a lot. I really like how much they have variety. They have a wide variety of different wigs and stuff. And as you saw my previous video, I was showing you guys ponytails that I got from them. So same packaging as before, and then we have the box, same box. And as I open the box, I see the wig. Okay, it has the information. This is a 5x5 closure. Okay, so closure. It's 20 inches long and it's a natural color, and it's a loose wave wig. Okay, inside of the box, I got this scarf, I got a wig cap, and I got, you know, the regular return and exchange policy card that I put in there. Also got an extra elastic band, which is always handy. So that's all I got in the box. This is how the wig looks. As I said, it's 20 inches long, loose wavy, and you know, standard construction on the inside. Has adjustable straps in the back, 3 combs in total on the inside, and it also has this 5x5 closure. Good size, you know, good size. It's bleached. It comes bleached, so it looks really nice and neutral. So yeah, a little piece of extra lace. I'm gonna go in and apply this just as is and see how it looks. So let's go. To get this done. Guys, this is how that's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and use my brush. I don't think I'm gonna wet this today. I actually want the fluffy look. I want the, oh my god, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. That is beautiful. I think I made a good decision to not do the wet look today. You know, sometimes you have to switch it off. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be sure to put all the specification down in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you're interested. But that's how it's looking. That's pretty much it for it. It doesn't even look like a closure wig. Honestly, it doesn't. Let me know your thoughts on this wig. I know a lot of you are gonna like this wig. I can just tell. It's really it's really nice. It's really nice. YWigs, you did it again. You did it again. Yeah. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's look. wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this wig, go ahead and give it a thumb up. All the necessary information will be in the description box. You know, don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel. All that good stuff. Right now I'm going out for a quick drink, so you can go ahead and check out my vlogmas series, because I'm vlogging for the whole 31 days of December, not missing a day. I'm trying my best to not miss a day. So far so good. It's not been easy, but your girl is consistent. So yeah, go ahead and check that out, and don't forget to check out my description box for all the necessary info. And that's it for now. So until next time, I'm your girl Petite. I want to big up on yourself.